Morning, students. Today we are going to start our next topic, which is climate. Meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades. This helps us to determine the weather pattern at a place. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called climate of that place. Okay. What happened, they have seen for 25 years or 20 years, the common pattern which is followed by that particular place is known as the climate of that place. Okay, here it was given table 7.2 and 7.3. Here we have seen the climatic condition of the two places in India. The mean temperature for first month is found in two steps. First, we find the average of the temperatures recording during the month. Second, we calculate the average of such average temperatures over many years. Okay, that gives the mean temperature. The two places are Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Okay, now by looking at table 7.2 and 7.5, we can easily see the difference in the climate of Jammu and Kashmir and Kerala. We can see that Kerala is very hot and wet in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir, which is moderately hot and wet climate for a part of the year. Similarly, data for western region of India, for example Rajasthan, will show that temperature is high during most part of the year, but during winter, which lasts only for a few months, the temperature is quite low. This region receives very little rainfall. This is the typical desert climate. It is hot and dry. The northeastern India receives rain for major part of the year. Therefore, we can say that the climate of the northeast is wet. Now we move on to our next topic, which is climate and adaptation. Climate has profound effect on all living organisms. Okay, we all are having very profound effect on the climate of our climate. Animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they can live. Okay, the type of adaptation animals adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. You recall from chapter 9 of your class 6 science book the definition of adaptation. Features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surroundings as a result of process of evolution. In chapter 9, you will learn about effect of weather and climate on soil. Here we will study the effect of climate on animals only. In class 6, you have read about adaptations of animal to certain habitats. As example of adaptation of animals to climatic conditions, we discuss only animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforest. As the name suggests, the polar regions are situated near the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. Some well-known countries that belong to polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in United States and Siberian region of Russia. Example of some countries where the tropical rainforests are found are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda and Nigeria. Okay. So here, in simple words, I will tell you that climate and adaptation is a process. According to the climate, the animals adapt themselves to that particular environment according to the temperature, according to the prey they need, according to the food they eat. Okay, so we'll move on to next topic tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.